How are you all doing? I hope you people are fine today, my darling people. Today, I say, I just give advice to mothers. There is no how where your daughter go dey misbehave. You just abandon her like that. You not go care for her again because she dey misbehave. It's not really good. You understand? Because I see one video where it really touched me. The girl just dey street because maybe she dey smoke all those igbo, they do anyhow, they misbehave. I know say some children dey wey be say they stubborn right from small pikin. There is no how you go control them reach. They no go ever hear. You understand? They no go ever hear. Like this lady now, wey be say she just dey misbehave right for time. Then the family just abandon her. She dey street ever since. They misbehave. They take tramadol. They do different things to herself. Nah. I will put the video more and see. I wish they carry fake pregnancy go hospital. You understand? Then they come cash her. So when they come, they ask her question. She dey talk how she dey this street. The family not there with her, nothing. Sometimes our parents, they overreact sometimes. I know say some children they will be say they stubborn well, but sometimes I believe say we dey overreact. Really, we dey overreact for some things. You understand? It's not good. It's not good really, because as this girl dey street ever since now, no training, nothing. She just dey do anything wey she like. She just dey misbehave. They waka up and down. You understand? Those kind of things, it's not really good for children like that. You understand me, my darling people? So maybe I make the girl na conscious wayward. They do anything wey she like. I just feel pity for her when I see the video. I say, man, I come give una more see the latest. So more see try advise mothers, advise parents. No matter what our pikin go do us. May we not they leave them for streets like that. You understand? May we not they abandon them like that. It's not good. You understand? Because you can't make them come just they wayward. They do anything where they like. They misbehave. You understand me, my darling people? Wanna help me advise parents? Parents, they really need advice for this topic. They need proper advice, my darling people. I will put the video now for you people to watch and see what they talk about. Thank you, my darling people. Share the video, please. Share it to mothers. Share it to people. Share the video, please. Thank you.
You cannot say you know the drug before. What's happen? Remove your face. Carry your face mask. First, the follower. Okay. Before they go club, they bag drink and smoke.
You not start living on the street.
But where your family? What about your mom? Which side of the state? Urora. Where for Urora?
Very far.
It's not far. I know the place. Where in Idumo now?
After Messiah close.
It's very close. I know the place. So your family now not say you do all these things.
No, they don't. But my mom will drive us in that place.
You're wrong. The man when he follow you, who it be? Now street man they do it together. So how long you know they do this business? Yeah, come on, make I see. I want to see your tummy now. Come on, your cloth.
Make this young, I help they want help you. They go help you. When they give you 200,000, you go they give you 200,000, you go for business.
Now come on this thing. Take out the tie in the waist. Come on that thing. You understand? I'm not going to put your cloth online. Just
this is the end of your suffering.
This is the end of it. How you lean?
You dey do drug.
I want to help you.
You dey do drug. You dey do drug. Tramadol and the rest. Where you dey go they take this thing so?
So my people, now see what did happen so? She came. This is the beginning.
I will not arrest you. I'm not arresting you.
I will not arrest you. Don't worry, yeah.
Just leave it. Leave it. They are not arresting you. They want to help you.
I'm an officer.
Are you sure you're not a man?
She's a girl now. Look at her here.
She's a young girl.
They are not arresting you.
So as you can see, she came to us that she's pregnant and she needed some help. That she was referred from specialists. They refused to treat her because of 3,500. But unfortunately, this pregnancy is not real. After our thorough investigation, we found out that this lady thoroughly needs help. She really needs help. She really do need help. You can see the fake pregnancy. She's not pregnant. How old are you? Imagine a 25-year-old girl. She stays in the streets, pretending as if she's pregnant to collect money from people. And she even have family who are well-to-do. Madam, if we decide to take you, go meet your family, will you go? Yes. I want you, because today in our program, outreach program, I believe that God sent foundation. This program was designed because of you. To redeem people like you from the streets. You understand? There's no matter of help we will give to you. If you didn't surrender totally, it's wasted. You understand? I'm so happy because you are here today. Not just help physically, but spiritually you need help. You understand? So I want me to come out this thing one by one for your belly. Mom will help you. They come out one by one.
Come on, don't worry. They are going to help you.
Don't show your breast.
Don't show your breast.
This thing, every day you wear them. If you reach us, you go still come out them. Okay, if you reach us, you'll come out them.
God has delivered you from bondage, my dear. The bondage that the enemy have tied you, the Lord has delivered you. Because it's only
You are going to partake from our kitchen today, okay? You are going to eat. I learned that you have not eaten. If you want to go give her food.
Hold the number, okay?
Officer,
Okay, I'll let out the discharge all these things first.
Baba, she's delivered though from
She's not
bondage.
pregnant. She's not pregnant, but she just needed help. She needed help. That's why she's doing. She's a street girl.
that's why she faked the pregnancy.
Yes.
So now what did this?
I saw her at the why
It's
coming.
cloth. It's
But
cloth.
who be the first person? See how your tummy don't
I
fold.
dragged her down to this place.
You don't born before? How many
She
children?
said she's 25 years.
Where is your
Where is
child?
the child now?
She did where she did.
They with your mom. Suffer.
God will help you, yeah?
You are delivered from today.
So, madam, if you did
As
see how
I
much you
lose
gain a day.
you are loose from bondage.
Amen.
You are loose from bondage.
Amen.
You are loose from bondage. Every bondage they might have tied you. I lose it and scatter it. Please, they are burning it.
Amen.
You give me this feather fuel of kerosene. Then you give me matches. Let me burn it. If possible, we can get a new cloth for her to wear.
The ones in your breast, remove everything.
Don't worry, we'll remove that one gradually. Let her. If we have new clothes, we can give her new clothes.
Yes, we used to have clothes inside our office here.
Let's check. Let her check.
Remove the one from your breast.
So that
No,
she
please
can
don't show your breast. Just chook your
Just shook your hand
They
inside.
are
our-
removing
Nobody will
already.
hear it.
Yes, you are here. The Lord has delivered you.
What family are you from?
You are here to follow.
Hey, Gareva.
For which local government?
From which local government? Obawaka. That thing in your hand, you just put it there and plaster it. Remove it. No, it won't size her.
So no size you.
It says that she's slim.
Okay. Let her wear it.
Madam, go to we women's office.
Yes.
Officer, don't video her.
Just let her go.